things are going for your puppy. Cause tonight you gotta get some tuntuni.
Daddy?
Eh?
I don't feel good.
Junior, you don't feel get ready for going to your auntie house?
I'm sick.
Junior, me just see you an hour ago and you did fine.
Mommy said I could stay home cause I'm sick.
No, tonight is me and your mother anniversary. You go to your auntie house, Junior. Go for the rain, nephew. Make me sop up some on your head.
Mommy tried that already. It didn't work.
You didn't pick me up, man. Just...
I don't know. I was okay. Now I'm sick. Maybe $5 can make me feel better.
You're lucky, you know, Junior. You're lucky. Take this and come out of my face.
Daddy, no tip?
What, them little buck?